The mother of Josiah Moore, the teen who was missing, is back in court tomorrow on abuse and neglect charges. Both of Jamie Moore's children are safe and in protective custody tonight. Well, now the community they live in is turning its attention to other kids living in potentially dangerous situations. News 12 New Jersey's Marcy Rubin outside of East Orange City Hall with more tonight. Marcy.
Well, Brittany, people who work here, the mayor, his team, his staff, know that runaway cases and missing persons cases don't always work out the way that this one did with the 14-year-old who was missing, coming home safe or being found safe. So now they are working on a program they hope will keep kids from leaving their homes in the first place by providing them an easier way to get the help that they need to feel and be safe.
You can't talk about it. We got to be about it. And in the city of East Orange, we are going to be about it. Because
East Orange Mayor Ted Green zooming with us from the League of Municipalities in Atlantic City. His mind, though, still on the case that continues to rattle his community. He says they must learn from 14-year-old Josiah Moore, who felt she had no choice but to run from her home. Her mother, Jamie, now facing abuse and neglect charges.
it really taught all of us that in any type of situation, especially here in our community, we can come together as one. We can come together and do what we need to do, but not just for Josiah, any young person.
The mayor announcing today the city of East Orange will create a 24/7 hotline for all children in crisis.
When you look at children, home is supposed to be where you feel safe.
The city's Director of Health and Human Services, Dr. Monique Griffith, explains they do already have services and resources in place. This new program will integrate and simplify them, making it easier for any child who does not feel safe to access the help they need close to home.
What we want to do is just ensure that we stress that we're here. You know, we're here, we're available, we are accessible. And so if there is any other child who finds himself or herself in the same type of situation as Josiah, we are here and we're poised to provide the level of support that we wish Josiah knew was available to her.
So Marcy, when will this resource, or specifically that phone number, be available?
Well, they hope to have the program, that hotline, up and running within the next few weeks. They're still working on details and working out the kinks. In the meantime, the city is promoting other resources, phone numbers, websites, resources that kids, anybody can really call to get the help that they need. And we have links and phone numbers to those places at our website, news12.com, as well as our apps and our social media pages. And for those who might want to help Josiah and her 3-year-old brother now, the city is organizing a holiday gift and clothing drive for those children. You can drop things off at police headquarters here in East Orange through December 15th. In East Orange, Marcy Rubin, News 12, New Jersey.
Marcy, thank you. And again, Jamie Moore is expected in virtual court for detention hearing on those abuse and neglect charges tomorrow morning. Of course, News 12 will continue to cover this very disturbing story, bringing you the latest from that court appearance. Be sure to tune in.